Hello beautiful people, so you're welcome back on my channel where we're going to be learning French together. The last episode I talked about how to say how to identify yourself in a French language. So this time around, I think most of you do not even know how to read ABC in French. So in this episode, I'm going to be teaching you how to read ABC in French. So first of all, how do we say A in French? Comment on dit A en français? On dit A. 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 And how do we say B? On dit B. 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 And how do we say C? It's very simple, this. Just say. C, say. Very simple. And how do we say D? It's simple as well. D. 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 And how do we say E? How? We say E. E. And how do we say F? F is the same. F. F. That is F. So it's still the same in English and in French. F. And G is J. 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 Yes. G is J. So I'm going to write everything on the screen for you guys to say. Okay? And H is ash, ash, ash. And I is E. K is K. K. It's very simple. K. And L is L. 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 There's not so much difference. L. L. It's easy. And then M is M. M. It's the same. And N is N. N. In English we say N, but it's N. N. It's the same way you say it. And O is U. 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 And P is P. 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 Q is Q. It's so sweet, ça. Q. J'aime bien. Q. That is Q. And R is R. R. I know this particular one, it's difficult. Même for V, it's difficult because most of the French words, when you see R, it's difficult to pronounce, when you see a phrase, it's phrase, 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 it's phrase. And then we go S, is the same, S. And T is T, T, T. U is U, 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 okay? And V. V is V. 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 I'll put it up on the screen for you guys to see. And then W is do blue V. Do blue V. I know it's difficult. Do blue V. That's W. And X is X. 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 Y. 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 It's very simple. Just follow the shape of my mouth. Y. Y. And Z is Z. Z is Z. So let's take it from the top now. On fait A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, H, right? That's H. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, W, no, U, V, U, V, W, that's W, X, Y, Z, Z or Z. So that's our French language for today. Want to learn? Kindly drop it on the comment section and let's discuss together. Okay, guys. Bisous. What's your French word for today? Is it bisous? Is it bonjour? Is it merci? Is it je m'appelle? Je m'appelle Hannah. Je suis Hannah Ojo. On peut dire ça aussi. Okay, so guys, I wish you all a beautiful day. Have a great day and au revoir. Et à très bientôt. À très bientôt.